Let me use this opportunity to welcome you and to thank you for being able to show this level of concern and demonstrating commitment to the development and strengthening of governance in Imo State. I'm indeed very grateful.
Hey, my people, wahala deo. Wahala be like electric when they say they shock people. Make una come follow me hear this matter when it come be say it happen for Imo State again or free center. Imo youth have been at them with your non-government, we not understand again. No, they don't come out to tell their governor will be Hope Uzodinma say he do well, he do well for the work when he they do. different thing I person they hear for social media. Hey God, though they can't come out Imo youth. They say Governor Hope Uzodinma say he do well for the better work when he be say they do for their area. Say their state. When he come be governor, people think say no go function, but now don't they function well. So they don't they tackle the issue of insecurity when we say they for inside Imo State. So now they can't even come they talk say the people when it be say that they agitate for freedom. Those people when be say that they fight, they want scatter, they want their own freedom. If not, anything will go up, make it happen. They say those people say na Governor Hope Uzodinma that they fight. We don't know before. We think say na separation they need from Nigeria. We think say that they let Buhari, they know say they won't take their own referendum. They won't get their own referendum. They won't get their own country. But we don't know say na Hope Uzodinma that they fight to because the Imo youths now don't come out come let us know say those ones that they against the government of Imo State. So now Hope Uzodinma that they against. So maybe the freedom that they fight. So make a Hope Uzodinma make it do and undo and the tank and because of the ones when they do before as it take the payment, the pie, all those people when it be say that they agitate for freedom. So the thing come make us confused more because when everything come out, we think say so all of them are the same Imo youth and all of them need that referendum, all of them need that freedom from Nigeria. But we don't know say no, say the ones when be say they need freedom, say those ones no opposition because now the Imo youth they let us they know say those ones now the oppositions. So we won't come no, I beg make una let us know well, make una yarn us well whether the Imo youth when it be said now them be the unknown government, the IPOB, or those people when be said that they agitate, that they request their own country. Whether those ones may be Imo youth, I be in another city therefore higher than come, I be in another state, I be in no. When it come at now, Imo youth now, I been when they be say the imports come from another country, I be another state. Make una let us know because now how we see the news now, so we just take the give them. So my people, now so the matter just be. I go leave una make una watch this video. Make una hear how the Imo youth they praise Governor Hope Uzodinma. They praise and they hail and well say what they do, it they okay. So later now, me I go come see ask them my question well because now everybody they confused, so we not can understand again whether na Biafra people want freedom. I been Hope Uzodinma that they fight. I been APC and PDP wahala. Make una let us know because as the matter dey now, people they die. And now wetin we not want. People they die or people they pay every day. Even the innocent ones say they go prison for what they not do. Shopuna they hear me. So make una let us know so that we don't go know where we stand. Because this no matter now don't come become Islamic terrorist issue and the Muslim community. Muslims go say they not send the Islamic this thing. Islamic say that they fight for Muslim. So make una let us know. And I beg before never go take lights. Make I use this one to remind you now. Those of no be be volunteer IPOB soldiers, have been a policeman, have been a security, no have been. When person na bring out una life to take save una nation, make una say as the matter dey be o, say people when una dey fight for, they say they don't want make una fight for them. Una wan just go die for nothing sake, because my own be say if person when dey fight for support me, I fit fight well. But if the person when dey fight for still dey beat me, no need for me to go fight now. Say make una think the matter, make una let me know as e be for the comment section. So may I leave una make una hear as they take the yarn the matter so. So make una just take a look at the video, then make una let me know wetin dey, my people. No wait.
Empower the youth! Empower the nation! Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Imo State, most distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma, His Influence, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, Professor Placid Njoku, the Chief of Staff, the Speaker, the SSG, the Deputy Speaker, Your Excellency, today, Imo youth are gathered because of what has been happening in Imo. It is the responsibility of the youth to make sure that our state is get better and great again. Your Excellency, the youth here gathered, they are association of youth structures in Imo State, and they are here today on a solidarity march in support of His Excellency, the Governor, and the good work you have been doing in Imo. Your Excellency, the youth are aware that before now, Imo State has been in the national grid. The President was here, the Vice President was here to commission construction roads, the IG, many dignitaries were in this state before this insecurity. But Your Excellency, Imo youths are behind you. Your Excellency, permit me to give the microphone to the structural leaders who are here, who will tell you why they are here today on a solidarity march. With all due respect, Your Excellency, may I hand over this mic to a structural leader.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Imo State, Imo. Your Excellency, you want to stand on the existing protocol that have been established, and we also want to ensure we don't keep you standing. We are Igbos, we are Imolites. We don't keep our father standing. So we want to be fast with whatever we are doing. Your Excellency, this is the coalition of Imo youth stakeholders. We are here to tell you that we are fully behind your policies, your steps, your innovations, and whatsoever you have been doing to ensure that Imo is placed in the pedestal in the Committee of States in Nigeria and even in West Africa. Your Excellency, these are structural heads. These are over 2,000 Imo youths in solidarity, supporting you, telling you that we are behind you, that you should be strong with whatever you are doing, that you have our full support and you have our eyes. So I want to quickly hand over the mic to our leader, Dr. C. Ekwe, to please let you know the demands of this youth. Thank you.
Build the youth! Build the youth! Your Excellency, our own governor, not sent by man, but by divine intervention of God. I want to stand on duly established protocol. Your Excellency, Imo youth are here to show enormous solidarity to your administration. It is not based on sycophantic deposition
but based on convincing the position of the administration. Your Excellency, when you assume the affairs of this government as the governor, they came with a mantra that he will not perform. Your Excellency, to their children, you started performing. Yes. Your Excellency, when they saw you have started performing, they started looking for a shortcut. No wonder they invited insecurity to Imo State. But Imo State is for all of us. Yes. Imo Bunkai, yes, and we will not run away from it. Yes. Your Excellency, there is a biblical injunction that Christ said, if those that are called refuse to praise me, I will make the grass and the stone to speak to praise me. Yes, your Excellency, if the leaders have refused to talk about the level of insecurity in the state, we, the leaders of tomorrow, that have assumed, can you listen to me? And I repeat, we, the leaders of tomorrow that has assumed leadership today, we want to take destiny into our hands by coming to speak out, to tell the government, ably led by your humble self, what we have explained as it concerns security measures in the state, and make demands from your office. Your Excellency, we are aware that so many persons have lost their lives in Imo State, not by your own making, but by makings of invitation of the opposition, in parentheses. Opposition here means even those that are with you who are not for you. Yes. Opposition here means those that are fighting for the government to fall, for them to rise. Opposition means those that are enemies of the state. Opposition here means those who do not want you to bring the federal presence which you have magneted and attracted to Imo State. Your Excellency, within 1 year, we saw another handwriting of developmental commission in the state. And even at the source of insecurity, work are still going on. Your Excellency, you have the powers and you have our mandate. And I want to reaffirm here, every elected officer in Nigeria always derives its legitimacy from the court. It's either the court affirms your victory or the court announces your victory with consequential order. That's what it is. Imo Bunkai, Ayaga Haboso. And thank God, Your Excellency, the level of insecurity in Imo State is unbearable. And we cannot allow you alone to perform the needed miracle to restore peace in Imo State. Those that are involved by virtue of organized and deliberate people who are meant to destroy the state, that we have caught a name for them, we are calling non-government. Your Excellency, they are youth. Yesterday, when they struck, these are not foreigners. We are speaking Igbo, which means they are our brothers and they are our kingmen and they are from various localities. We cannot achieve the security needed if we do not collect information, sieve them, and transform them into intelligence. We are here to assist the government and the security operatives to do the needful. Your Excellency, we have a written document that we want to read. It's just one page for us to highlight some of the issues that we have identified and equally profile solutions. Your Excellency, the statement of purpose of this mission, we condemn in strong terms the unwarranted attack and the killing of security personnel, garnished with burning down of police infrastructure, and in most cases, accompanied with illegal release of criminals in police custody by this deliberate declaration of war on the official security agents and their infrastructure. We condemn unequivocally the indiscriminate arrest and unlawful detention of innocent citizens of the state and the excessive use of force and inhuman treatment meted out to the road users as checkpoints and innocent people doing the legitimate business in the